I've enjoyed so much about the project. First and foremost, it has helped me with childcare. In the past, I couldn't go out to do anything because I'm stuck with my little girl. But now with the project, it pays for a playgroup session, and that allows me go out there, come to the African community to volunteer and help others who, might need my help.
In the beginning, I was just isolated. I didn't see much people. Now I'm much happier and can engage with the society.
When I come to this country, I was very much worried that I would lose my profession. So when I come here and talk to Helen, that it was settled that I can go back to my profession because there was a requirement here to do, like IELTS class. So for the IELTS class, I had no means for the transport, so she was helping me with that, so it fixed it a lot for me.
I joined the project last year, October. Before that, I was suffering from depression and I didn't work for 2 years. So I stayed at home, do nothing. So that's changed me, because rather than staying at home and think about my problems, going out and doing something take my mind somewhere else.
It changed my life. Yeah, it changed my life because before I don't speak my English is very poor before, but now I'm improving a bit now.
The project has made a big difference in my life. I didn't have so much confidence before, but when I got involved in so many things in the project, I have bounced back and I've achieved so much and so many things that I never thought I would achieve, and so many things, and I'm overly grateful.
Changed my life totally, because now I got a lot of certificates with me through Oxfam, and I can go anywhere. I'm not scared to go anywhere to speak my voice or to go for interview if I get my paper to start work. So I'm really happy that Oxfam did a lot in my life and my children's life. Thank you very much.
The future is first to get back to my profession, pharmacy, and work as a pharmacist. And in addition, to help, because I have experienced the problem myself, to get participating in kind of OSCEs, volunteering, or in any kind of helping more specific, especially with women refugees and asylum seekers, and to support them to integrate in the society very well.
Oh my God, hopes for the future. I've got so many hopes, but right now I can tell you, I'm still waiting for the Home Office decision. As soon as I get my papers, I'm going back to school to further my knowledge and my academics, my studies.
Actually, I'm working now. This group built my self-confidence, so I'm not struggling when I want to finding job. So I do improve myself, speaking, and get touching a lot of different people. I feel confident. There's so much out there for me. I mean, this project has just let me know that the world is at my feet. It's just for me to, stoop down, reach down and pick it up.
I enjoy project. It's a very good project. The English learning, the no project is the close stop, no stop.
Really, I hope this project be continued so we can really enjoy our time together and meeting new people, making new friends.